The science of climate change is unlike anything else I've ever seen as a scientist. It makes people across the world feel like they're experts in a way that they never do in science. This document tries to put, why science is so concerned about climate change in words and in ways that hopefully the average politician or the average punter can understand.
If you start from the simple physics, it's cause and effect. If you're going to pump greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, sorry guys, it's going to get hotter.
It's clear from the scientific evidence that our climate is changing, and it's also clear that the major cause for that change is human activities, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
Temperatures have already risen, so we have to learn to cope with the existing rise in temperatures, which aren't just going to go away. We need to adapt to survive in the warmer climate that is already developed.
In the time that human civilization's been here, climate has been remarkably stable. There have been changes, but the changes we see now over the last 150 years are equal and greater than that, and the projections we have for the next 100 years are far greater than the changes we've seen over the last 5,000–6,000 years.
And as you gradually increase the temperature, you also cause a whole range of climatic changes. Places that were dry become wetter and vice versa. And of course, we as humans have put all of our infrastructure in places suitable for the current climate. And when we suddenly go through and talk about changing the weather by 2 degrees Celsius, you're asking to essentially strand all this money we've spent. It means most of Sydney could eventually be underwater. I mean, not tomorrow, but in hundreds of years. It's a big issue.
It's people sitting in local councils, it's people sitting in state government, it's people sitting in business and industry who actually have the answers. It's actually mobilizing those people to recognize the risks from climate change and to do something about them.
Whenever there's even a tiny gap of information, that becomes a 50-50 argument. That is that the science may be right or maybe it's wrong, 50-50, even though it's 99-1. We're not engaging in hyperbole, we're not riding some sort of wave that's short term. This is real, it is our best bet, and I am 99% confident that science has got the right answer.